Good morning to all. So today we shall discuss about different types of materials. So based on stress strain curve, the materials are classified into different types like brittle material, ductile materials and elastomers. And we today in this class we shall see some of the important terminology like what do you mean by elastic effect and what do you mean by elastic fatigue or what do you mean by elastic after effect. Some of the example for different terminology we shall see. So based on stress versus strain curve, we are classifying the materials into three types, that is brittle, ductile and elastomers. So we shall see one by one. So what is the meaning of brittle? So brittle substance means the substance, that is one of the property of the material. So what kind of property it is? So it is property of the material which is having a larger plastic range. Example, you can quote example ceramics or glass materials. Means once they are fallen from our hand means they are going to break down, means they are having larger plastic range, they are having less elastic property. Such kind of object we are going to call brittle materials. Next, ductile materials. So ductile, that is also one of the property of the material. So it is having large elastic property, means they are having small plastic range. So example, iron, copper, aluminium, gold. So all kind of metals are example for ductile materials. Those are the materials which are having small plastic range and they are having large plastic, small plastic range they are having large elastic property. Same thing elastomers, that is also one of the property of the material. For such kind example you can quote aorta and you can quote example of rubber. So if you observe these objects, so what kind of property they are having means, so if you apply small amount of force to the rubber, so we can possible to stretch in a larger quantity, means so it is the property of the material, so it requires small amount of force and it for which strain produced is large compared to stress applied, means if you apply small amount of force it undergo deformation in a larger quantity. Such kind of object we are going to call elastomers. And we shall see next terminologies. So that is what is the meaning of elastic fatigue. So elastic fatigue means that is one of the property of the material. So what kind of property of the material? So here as we use more and more, the strength of the material is going to decrease. So here elastic fatigue means the strength of the material, elastic property of the material is going to decrease as we use number of times. So such property we are going to call elastic fatigue. Same thing next we shall see elastic after effect. So elastic elastic after effect, that is also one of the property of the material. So what kind of material property of the material means? So delay in regaining the original configuration after the removal of deforming force. So that we are going to call elastic after effect. Means take the example of spring itself. So as we use more and more for a larger times or for longer time, the elastic property of the spring is going to decrease, and after that if we apply force and it regain its original configuration, but it takes longer time, means so here delay in regaining the original configuration after the removal of deforming force, we are going to call that one as elastic after effect.